Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite math tricks, and for lack of a better name, I'm going to call it Trick 1. Alright, so what is Trick 1? Let's say you have two-digit numbers times two-digit numbers. Now you could multiply these out, you could even multiply them out left to right as we discussed in the previous video. Or you can do a lazy man's multiplication, and here's how you do that. Okay, what did I just do here? Well, I won't tell you guys why this works. You'll have to stay tuned for a few more videos when we get into algebra. But for now, here's how this works. You find the number in between 17 and 23. That's 20. You square 20. Why do you square it? That's just the trick. You subtract how far each of these is from the middle, which is 20, so each of them is 3 away from 20. Alright, so let's try another one. So again, the middle number between these is 20, so we square 20. They're each 2 away from the middle, so this time we subtract 2 squared. So by the way, let's finish this off. That's 400 minus 9, so that's 391. Alright. This one, 400 minus 4, 396. Alright, let's do a couple more. So this doesn't only work when this is 20. So let's try, 14 and 18. Now, because I've learned my perfect squares, the middle number is 16 squared, and they're each 2 away. And I know what 16 squared is. Remember, I told you guys to learn your perfect squares. This is one of the reasons why, because now you can use Trick 1 more often. So it's 256 minus 4, and that's 252. Now, by the way, you shouldn't need to write this out. I'm doing this, and you guys should be doing this in your heads. I'm just writing this out so you can follow along. So the next few we'll do in our heads. Alright, so let's say 57 times 63, so it will be 60 squared, because that's in between them, minus the distance 260, which is 3. So 60 squared is 3600, minus 3 squared, which is 9, so that's 3591. I hope you guys were able to follow that. Now, Trick 1 always works. It doesn't have to be just two-digit numbers. So you could do 98 times 102. The middle is 100. 100 squared is 10,000. And then we subtract off the distance to the middle, which is 2. So that would be 10,000 minus 4, 9,996. All right. Now this always works, but I should tell you guys something. So one of you may be thinking, well, this solves all my math problems forever. Although it always works, it doesn't mean you should always use it. So let's take this example. The middle is now 20.5, and they're each 3.5 away. Now, although we can do that part, how can we do that part? You'll see later on, but 20.5 squared, I don't know what that is. So although this trick will still work, this will give you the correct answer, it's no longer a good trick because it's actually slowing you down. So it always works, but you shouldn't always use it.